Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code that is 30183272147954402. So if you're receiving this error with Office, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix it, the first step is to restart Office application. So just close whichever application you're using. So if you're using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you can simply close your Office application and then relaunch Office application and then check. If that does not work, go to update Office. Now for this you can go to any Office application and then click on File, and then over here go to Accounts option. Now once you go to Account over here, you will see this option. You will see update options. You can click on this update and click on update now, and once the update is complete, now you can relaunch Office and then check. Still not working. The next step is to repair Office. To repair Office, you can go to settings, go to apps, go to install apps, and then find your Office over here. So once you find the Office, click on the three dots over here, click on modify, click on yes to allow, and then you will see the quick repair option. This fixes most issues quickly without the need of an internet connection. So click on repair, and once the repair is done, you can open Office application and then check. If that does not work, you can go to you can perform online repair. This will reinstall Microsoft Office on your computer. So if you agree, you can go ahead, fixes all issues, but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. So click on repair, and once this is done, now you can check. The last step is to switch to different networks. So if you have any other network available, you can switch to different network, and then you can try to update your Office, or you can try to install language pack. Whenever you're receiving the error, you can switch to different network and then you can check. If that does not work, you can even try phone's hotspot. So you can turn on the data on the phone, turn on the hotspot on your phone, and then you can connect to your phone network over here and then try to update your Office and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.